DIY Essential Oil Mouthwash Recipe with all natural ingredients. This DIY basic oil mouthwash formula is anything but difficult to make and normally eliminates microscopic organisms for a fresher mouth. Great oral cleanliness is significant for your general well-being and health. Utilizing a mouthwash every day decreases tartar, plaque, and gum disease. It's prescribed that you utilize a mouthwash subsequent to brushing and flossing. DIY Essential Oil Mouthwash Formula. Regardless of whether you brush and floss 2 times every day, there can in any case be plaque that waits in your mouth or nourishment particles in the middle of teeth deserted. Utilizing a mouthwash disturbs the plaque and any nourishment particles that might be abandoned for a cleaner mouth. Since you gargle it around in your mouth, it can get in the middle of the teeth and along the gum line to dispose of nourishment and microbes where your brush can't reach. Mouthwash additionally eliminates germs that can be deserted in the wake of brushing and flossing. These germs can in the long run lead to ailments like gum disease and even gum illness. Mouthwash can likewise help lessen awful breath. Awful breath can likewise be brought about by one of a few components, so converse with your primary care physician or dental specialist on the off chance that you have awful breath in the wake of utilizing a mouthwash consistently. Making your own DIY fundamental oil mouthwash formula sets aside you cash, and it's not as unforgiving as business mouthwashes. On the off chance that you've at any point felt stinging from a mouthwash, this is a successful elective that won't be as cruel on your mouth. Why make your own mouthwash with essential oils? Basic oil mouthwash for terrible breath. Most mouthwashes use liquor to eliminate germs. The liquor is the thing that causes consuming in your mouth. This DIY regular mouthwash formula utilizes basic oils and salt to eliminate germs, so there is no liquor. The liquor in locally acquired mouthwash can dry out your skin inside your mouth, and it might even be connected to higher cases of malignant growth. Making your very own DIY regular mouthwash with fundamental oils is additionally extensively less expensive than purchasing mouthwash. Other than the basic oils, the underlying venture will be minor with refined water. You likely as of now have the salt and preparing pop. Since you can pick your fundamental oils, you can utilize the ones that you have. You can likewise attempt diverse basic oils and mixes to discover a flavor that you like. It won't take however a couple of moments to stir up this custom-made mouthwash formula. On the off chance that you make an ace mix of basic oils, it will take even less time each time you make it. Some business mouthwashes have synthetic substances in them that can disturb hormones. A prominent brand has methyl salicylate, which is thought to influence hormones and advancement. Regardless of whether you are utilizing a natively constructed mouthwash or one from the store, it's not prescribed that you offer it to kids younger than 6. Small kids may swallow a few, so converse with your kid's dental specialist before giving them mouthwash. What you need for this homemade essential oil mouthwash. Refined water. It's suggested that you start with refined water when you make your DIY characteristic basic oil mouthwash. Refining evacuates minerals and pollutions, which can sully your formula. Despite the fact that you'll be including basic oils that eliminate germs, it's still suggested that you start with refined water. Preparing soda. Preparing soft drink gives a gentle grating to this formula. At the point when you gargle the mouthwash in your mouth, it helps expel tartar, plaque, and flotsam and jetsam from your teeth. It likewise brightens your teeth. While this is certifiably not a genuine brightening mouthwash, the preparing soft drink will assist evacuate with surfacing stains for more white teeth. Pink Himalayan salt. Include pink Himalayan salt or ocean salt to remineralize your teeth. Salt additionally expands the pH of your mouth, which decreases bacterial development. Salt water is additionally gentle on your skin. Such huge numbers of dental specialists suggest utilizing a salt water wash after dental work. Handcrafted mouthwash for gum disease. Clove essential oil. Cloves and clove EO have been utilized for oral consideration for ages. Clove basic oil is normally antiviral and antibacterial, so it helps eliminate germs in the mouth. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint causes you get minty crisp breath. It's additionally antibacterial to help eliminate germs. Spearmint essential oil. Spearmint fundamental oil works equivalent to peppermint. It refreshes breath and gives your DIY common mouthwash with fundamental oils and pleasant flavor. Spearmint can likewise help battle the germs that reason gum disease. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps eliminate microscopic organisms, even the ones that reason gum disease. It can help lessen irritation and help your mouth recuperate. Lemon essential oil. Include lemon EO for its brightening properties. On the off chance that you include lemon, utilize 1 to 2 drops in this formula and join it with other basic oils. Cinnamon essential oil. Cinnamon is exceptionally viable at slaughtering the microbes that reason gum infections. It likewise gives this mouthwash an incredible flavor. Note, you don't need to utilize all the basic oils recorded previously. You can utilize just one or a mix of a few or more. Fluid stevia. In the event that you like a better mouthwash, include a couple of drops of fluid stevia. DIY essential oil mouthwash recipe. Fixings. 1 cup refined water. 2 teaspoons preparing pop. 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. 10 drops fundamental oils, see above. I use clove and peppermint, 5 drops every, they work incredible for me. 1 to 2 drops fluid stevia, discretionary. Step number 1. Consolidate all fixings in an artisan container or other a glass bottle like this one. Shake well. To utilize, empty 2 to 3 teaspoons into a little cup. Gargle in your mouth for 20 to 30 seconds and let out. Try not to swallow your mouthwash despite the fact that it's everything characteristic. Utilize 2 times per day subsequent to brushing and flossing to refresh breath and eliminate microbes. Shake before utilizing. The heating pop and salt will settle to the base in the middle of employments. Store in a dim spot or in the refrigerator. You can go through any mix of these oils to 10 drops for every bunch. In the event that you use lemon basic oil, it's prescribed that you utilize just a couple of drops with different oils. Despite the fact that the fundamental oils in this mouthwash formula are known for eliminating microscopic organisms, it is as yet a water-based item and ought to be utilized inside multi-week of making it. You can, be that as it may, make an ace mix in an unfilled basic oil jug and include 10 drops of oils when you make this formula to spare time. Try this DIY fundamental oil mouthwash formula out and don't hesitate to leave your criticism in the remark segment.